Shashank, we are also a very small size NBFC in the context of the NBFC industry. Number one. Number two, I think so technology, as Mr. Mahapatra was also saying, that the uses of technology is two ways. One, you use it to make big words and attract VCs, PPs, and fancy sets of investor to yourself. Because by using the or great technological jargon and high quality presentation, you think that you can raise capital and you can rate it. It's little expensive. Second is wherein in the lending business, the role of technology primarily to begin with is process efficiency. That is the paramount to that. Second is that how do you make credit processes, and those who have become now redundant doing it physically, how can you use technology for that? Third, how do you build early warning signals so that you improve your collection efficiency and you can reach out the customer who are going in distress? And this is the process which every NBFC should follow, whether you are a small or whether you are a big. If you have not built technology to reach out to your customers, you are still doing rudimentary thing which otherwise technology can do. If you are still taking somebody's physical bank statement and then physically analyzing whether your policy is qualifying through that bank statement or not, that's a rudimentary exercise. Because now off the shelf solution can make those things happen very very quickly. So you have to, and then depending upon your capital capacity, you will build it out. But first and foremost, imbibe some form of a technology at the core of your premise of you have to operate that business. Second, be close to a customer and choose a defined customer segment whose problem you want to solve. Doing everything, NBFCs or a lending business is a business for perpetuity. It takes roughly around 10 years to mature and 20 years to perfect. Now in 2 years or 3 years time, if you start doing too many things at one go, irrespective that you have a very experienced management team, you won't be able to perfect it. So choose a sub segment of the market wherein you can perfect it. It can be a geography, it can be a product, it can be a sector, and then move forward from there. That's a little of what I can say, by my experience of last 5 years.